Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the science behind the ketogenic diet for weight loss. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet, also known as keto, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet designed to put your body into a state of ketosis. Ketosis occurs when your body is in a state of low carbohydrate intake, causing it to start burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The goal of the ketogenic diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis to promote weight loss and other health benefits. How does the keto diet work for weight loss? The ketogenic diet works for weight loss by forcing your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. When you consume a low-carbohydrate diet, your body is forced to use stored fat as fuel, leading to weight loss. Additionally, the high fat and protein content of the keto diet can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. Science behind ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Ketosis is triggered by consuming a low-carbohydrate diet, which reduces your body's glucose stores and forces it to use fat for fuel. When your body is in a state of ketosis, it produces ketones, which can be used for fuel by your brain and other organs. Benefits of the keto diet for weight loss. The ketogenic diet has been shown to be an effective way to promote weight loss. The keto diet can also improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. Some studies have even shown that the ketogenic diet may help improve symptoms of certain medical conditions like epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. Foods to eat on the keto diet for weight loss. Foods to eat on the ketogenic diet for weight loss include healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil, and olive oil. Protein sources like chicken, beef and fish are also allowed on the ketogenic diet. Low-carbohydrate vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are also encouraged on the ketogenic diet. Nuts and seeds like almonds, macadamia nuts, and chia seeds are also allowed on the ketogenic diet. Foods to avoid on the keto diet for weight loss. Foods to avoid on the ketogenic diet for weight loss include high carbohydrate foods like bread, pasta, and sugary foods. Starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn should also be avoided. Alcohol and sugary drinks should also be avoided on the ketogenic diet. Potential side effects of the keto diet for weight loss. Potential side effects of the ketogenic diet for weight loss include the keto flu, which may cause symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and nausea. Other side effects may include constipation, bad breath, and changes in menstrual cycles. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting the ketogenic diet to ensure it's safe for you. Conclusion. Thank you for watching today's video on the science behind the ketogenic diet for weight loss. I hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to make some positive changes to your diet. Remember, the ketogenic diet can be an effective way to achieve your weight loss goals, but it's important to do it safely and with guidance from a healthcare provider.